Matt Day here with Parsons, Graham and Day, and I want to talk about one of my favorite things, Bond, James Bond. Now, you may be wondering, how is this applicable to divorce or custody cases? And I'm going to tell you. First of all, James Bond is applicable to all areas of life. If you have a question on how to proceed, aside from the killing of other individuals, James Bond's probably got your answer, okay? How to dress, how to act, how to drink, how to eat, he's got it covered. But he also has something about custody cases in there and about paternity issues. In the most recent film, and I am going to have spoilers, so if you haven't seen it, stop now. In the most recent film, he has retired. He is with the person that he loves. All of a sudden, he begins to not trust her. Some explosions happen. He's running through the city, shooting up bad guys. He puts her on a train, says, "You're never going to see me again." Off she goes. Fast forward 5 years, what do you know? He is seeing her again because he's back in the service. All right. Turns out, through the course of the movie, we learned that she has had a child, a daughter, and it's his. This got me thinking about custody cases because this situation, aside from the explosions and the bullets, right, happens all the time. A relationship, not necessarily a marriage, although sometimes, goes along, ends, fast forward some time, some months, some years, all of a sudden we find out there's a child, right? You have a one-night stand, and you end up sometime down the road finding out that there's a child, okay? Sometimes you're in a relationship with someone who is married, and a child comes about. All of these present issues, especially for unwed fathers and unwed mothers. Under Oklahoma law, the unwed mother has custody until a court of competent jurisdiction determines otherwise. If the mother is married at the time that she gives birth to the child of the person she's having the affair with, that child is presumed to be her husband's child, right? So there are a number of issues that pop up. Let's say that she wasn't married, you and she never got married, and there's a child born, and you don't find out for a number of years. You could potentially be on the hook for some child support, right? There could be a child out there that you don't know about, that you want to have a relationship with. All of these things create complications. If you find yourself in one of these situations and you can't, call up MI6 to get some help, give us a call at 918-307-1529 or visit us on the website www.pdtulsalaw.com. We have tons of information about it. You can reach out to me directly. I'd be happy to talk to you and answer any questions that you have. Don't wait around any longer. Take steps, take actions to have a relationship with that child and secure your future. This has been Matt Day with Parsons, Graham and Day.